Today, we'll learn how plants make their own food using sunlight. Plants take sunlight, water, and a gas called carbon dioxide. They mix it all together to make food. This process is called photosynthesis. This food helps the plant grow big and strong. And the best part? Plants give us oxygen. Let's look inside a leaf. See these tiny green parts? They are called chloroplasts. Inside each chloroplast is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll catches sunlight, just like a solar panel. When sunlight hits water, the plant splits it. It keeps the important parts and releases oxygen into the air. Now the plant uses carbon dioxide and energy to make yummy plant food called glucose. So remember, sunlight plus water plus carbon dioxide equals food plus oxygen. Plants are amazing. Photosynthesis keeps life on Earth alive.